Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. If you enjoy content that's clear and actually helpful, don't forget to subscribe. I share videos you can really use. Let's get started.
Having trouble seeing your emails clearly? Want to enlarge your Yahoo Mail screen for better readability? This is a very common issue, and thankfully, it's easy to fix. You don't enlarge Yahoo Mail directly. Instead, you adjust your web browser's zoom level. This makes everything on the page bigger, your Yahoo Mail interface, all its text, and any images. There are two main ways to do this. The quickest method uses keyboard shortcuts. If you're on a Windows computer, hold a Ctrl and press plus to zoom in. Each press makes things larger. To zoom out, hold a Ctrl and press dash. To reset to the default size, hold a Ctrl and press 0. If you're on a Mac computer, hold a Command and press plus to zoom in. Use Command and a dash to zoom out. Reset with Command and 0. The second method uses your browser's menu. Most web browsers like Chrome, Firefox, Edge, or Safari have a menu button, usually 3 dots or lines, in the top right corner of the window. Click this menu. You'll see a zoom option with a plus and a dash of buttons. Click plus to increase your Yahoo Mail screen size. Click a dash to make it smaller. This instantly adjusts the view, making your Yahoo Mail much easier to read and navigate. Try these simple steps to customize your viewing experience today.
Thanks so much for watching. If you liked the video, tap the thumbs up, hit subscribe, and ring the bell so you don't miss anything new. See you next time.